This is a later spec MGZR that came with a Ford IB5 gearbox. Back in the day, these cars were fitted with Peugeot R65 gearboxes. Now those gearboxes were
nasty, unreliable.
Ford Focus that just came out had a Ford IB5 gearbox. All the cars, the bushings in the bottom degrade, and then you are left with this absolutely atrocious shifting. You've literally got like 6 neutrals in your bloody car. Now on a 1.4 car, that will be done either from these manifold bolts that are here, or if you're one of the 1% lucky few whose bolts haven't rusted down, you will be able to disconnect it from an area here, and then these 2 centre bushings here which give you full access to the gear linkage. Ooh, don't want to move that too much. That's still connected there, with that now disconnected. We're supposed to go up inside the car and remove the centre console, take off the shift boot, and then pull out the gear lever. But while we're under here, I'm just going to undo these bolts there and there. So what's holding this gear linkage on are these 2 10mm bolts to the back. 2 clips. There are these 2 8mm bolts on the top that undo. This whole thing just separates. You used a 15mm socket. I've just taken this bolt out, and the whole thing has just dropped. Taking this nut off, WD-40'd this, and I've slid the shaft off, so the whole linkage is off. Make it way easier to work on. You see here, both these bolts had snapped. So you hammer these out here using an hole punch. You can see that's where they snapped. There's a Phillips head there, good luck getting that off. 2 8mm bolts here and here. Trust me, they're gonna snap, so then you just wanna hammer those out, which go through this beam here, which is the stabilizer bar. That sits in there, over those, gear selector, which is where the bushing will go in there. In the instructions, it says you have to use Aldice, or well, because it's a UK thing, JB Weld. It's leaking. Right, once I've got the gear stick out the car, you're gonna have to take this off. Like that, retaining clip. 2. Bolt. That looks lovely, that. Send her home. There we go. Right then, so that's now back into place. This other boot, we put that over the top, so that goes down there. That's way better.
Go on!